Okay, replacing throttle cable on an Isuzu NPR cab over turbo diesel box truck. They're going over YouTube and they do not show no videos how to take this throttle cable out, in which if this cable breaks, your RPMs will increase all the way to 1400 RPMs when it should be idled down to 800. And when you're driving this 14,000 pound beast and don't have full brake control, it's tough. It's kind of tough to stop this thing, even with an empty load. So I can only find two videos. One was how to use this throttle button, and the other was how to hook up the cable to the mechanism that goes to the other cable. I purchased the 1.5-foot long cable on eBay for like 25 bucks. Amazon wanted 100, so I went with the eBay. So far I was able to get the cap off the new cable, which I'm about to show you how to take the cap off, and then the old cable should pop right out of there. The cable on this broke right behind the dash. Right behind the dash is where the cable broke. So I found the hole right here, and this should, see it slowly coming out. Once this little screw comes out, this button, I think it's loose. That's it. It's off. So 7/8. Right there, 7/8. Alright, I'm gonna need another wrench. So this might be the last video, but anyway, once I get this off, I put the new cable in, and the mechanism that the cable latches onto is somewhere up there, which I haven't seen yet. I'm gonna have to get my head in this area, and I know it's in there because of the video. The cable latches onto the spring mechanism that's somewhere in there, but my project of today is just getting the thing on the dash, and then maybe tomorrow I'll get underneath there and see if I can latch it on. No rush. It's New England. We're talking 25 degrees right now, and the sun's just coming out. So for safety reasons, I'm doing this video, because I'm sure there's people out there with a broken throttle cable that's doubling their idle speed, and it should be tacked down to 8 when they're riding around with a 1400 idle, which is tough as hell to stop this thing with an empty load. Okay, see you later.